everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another case to unbox for you. Let's see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I've got this bulk case just showed up at my front door. Bulk.com case. It's got 18 items in it. This is a case that has primarily women's shoes in it. Uninspected returns is the condition that I chose. It was $56 for the case, $30 for shipping, $258 for tax, for a total of $88.58. If I take my 18 items and divide that out, it's $4.92 per item is what I'm looking at. So I've got my case. Also, I'm wearing one of the hats that I have for sale. This is a really great American flag hat. So while I'm opening this, if you like the American flag hat, I'm going to have a link down in the description. And you can purchase it right off my hookedonpickin.com website. I've got this color, I've got a gray one, I've got a khaki and tan one, and I think one other color. But I've also got some more blinged out ones like you saw, a little bit different style like you saw in some of my other videos. But let's get into this and see what we got. All right, uninspected returns is exactly what it sounds like. I have no idea what kind of condition it's going to be in when it shows up. So let's just start with each box and we'll open them up and see. This is a pair of universal thread women's shoes. These are a size 6.5 black. So if you're interested in any of these items, please let me know. Just shoot me a message on my hookedonpickin.com contact me section and I will shoot you an invoice. All right, so we've got, what are these? They're a pair of boots. Men's boots. I call them duck boots, but they're basically waterproof kind of winter boots. They have been worn, if you look at that, but they're in relatively good shape. They've got suede here, and so they're definitely resellable. Original price was $45 on them, so I might be able to get, you know, 20 bucks out of them or so. Okay, we've got some sandals here. I've got some of these for sale. They're really, really soft cushion champion style sandals. Let's see, we've got a pair of pumps here. These are break your ankle kind of shoes, but there's a lot of women that are short and want to be taller, and they actually look relatively comfortable. They're not too bad. These are a pair of size 9 really cute pumps. Let's see. It's a skinny box of a pair of sandals. These are a pair of size 7, really cute universal thread flip-flops. Perfect time of the year to buy these now because you're going to get them on a lot cheaper on the Poshmark store than if you waited. So if you're interested in any of these shoes, most likely they'll all be put on my Poshmark store. I actually have a pair of these listed. These are size 7, so it's going to be really nice because I can just add those to my listing and get those all listed very easily. Just change the number and add size 7. Here's a pair of burgundy flats, size 10. Got a couple of pairs of these shoes. These are leopard Mad Love, just slip-on, comfy kind of shoes, but they have arch support in them. Let me flip these over and kind of show you. They got an arch lift in them. So if you're looking for something that's comfortable and cute, those are both size 10s. Okay, I'm just going to pull this out because I have no earthly idea. Why in the world would you have a shoe box and then put this in there? Okay, so I'm going to show you. Ready? Because you need a basketball in a box full of women's shoes. It's actually, well, it's kind of flat. I have to be aired up a little bit, but why would you put that in there? It's a crossover RBX brand. So it's my mystery item in this box. All right, got a pair of kids' shoes here. Really cute. Look at, they have little planets on them. They're Velcro. They're definitely brand new, size 11 in kids' shoes. They're Cat and Jack brand. Those are super cute. I'm gonna leave those out because I think they're cute. All right, empty box, probably for one of the pairs of sandals. Okay, this box has seen better days. Look at that. See, uninspected returns. So you potentially could get... Cameraman has a cold. All right. Oh, these are really cute. They look similar to like the Ugg boots. Really soft. These are an 8 wide is what they say. Really, really soft. Oh my goodness, they're so soft. So they looked really cute on this side, and then there's zipper on the other side. Size 8 in women's. I'm going to set these over here so I have room to get the rest of them out. A few more items in here. You know, remember, this was not a very expensive box, but I definitely think I can make $88 back. These are a pair of Mad Love clogs. And so those are really nice. Yes, they look like they're a little bit dusty and stuff, but just a lint roller to that, but they're brand new. Never been worn. All right. Got some fuzzy, blinged out. They're actually sandals. They look like house slippers, but they're not. They're actually outdoor sandals. They have rubber soles on them and everything. These are size 8.5. So, and if you guys want to know sizing and stuff, I'll try to do my best to say it while we're on the video, and then you can always... Oh, I got another pair of those fun shoes. These are a size 10. So, Bethany, she's a friend of mine. Where's the size 10? You know you need these, okay? I'm just saying. All right. I've got a lot of friends that I love to do little shout outs. Also, you probably saw the scrolling video. See, I've already opened these, haven't I? Yeah, there was a box of these already, a 7.5. And so that's going to make it a lot easier because I can just do one listing and then do a variation of 2 different sizes. So that's going to make it really easy to list those. So we'll leave those there. Not too much left here. Got another box here. Oh, these are cute. All right, these are size 5.5 for teeny weeny feet, but they're the little combat boot style, but they're padded, so they're going to be a lot more comfortable than the traditional ones. It's small little heel, so a size 5.5. These would fit my mom. My mom has the tiniest feet ever, and so size 5.5 in women's. Those are really, really cute. Universal thread 5.5 little combat boots, and then last but not least, I've got a pair of boots in here too. Women's 8.5. Cute little brown. This one's unbuckled, but if you look at this one, that's kind of gives you an idea of what, it's kind of a tan taupe color. So that's everything in the box. So as you can see, everything's in pretty good condition for being uninspected returns. And remember, I only spent $88.58 for this box. So it'll take me no time at all to get all this stuff listed. A couple of these things I've already got listed, and so all I have to do is just add that particular size. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what's in a women's shoes case. If you don't have a lot of money, this might be an option for you to be able to sell. Most of this will be for sale on my Poshmark store very, very soon. If it's not for sale and you don't find it, please shoot me a message at hookedonpickin.com. I'd love to send you an invoice if you choose to buy it. So bulk.com case, uninspected returns of women's shoes. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what kind of condition you get. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.